Welcome back to 15 Years I Bought This, where every drive tells a story. Today, we're diving deep into a car that still turns heads after all these years, the SBX CARS 1997 in its striking orange color. This car might be nearly 3 decades old, but its charm, performance, and design continue to impress like it just rolled out of the showroom. Let's explore what makes this machine so special even after 15 years of ownership. Starting with the exterior, the SBX CARS 1997 orange color model stands out instantly. That vivid orange hue isn't just paint, it's personality. Even after years of exposure to sun, rain, and dust, the color retains its glow with just the right amount of patina that reminds you it's a classic. The long hood, sleek body lines, and perfectly proportioned stance make it a car that demands attention. The chrome detailing still sparkles, and the subtle curves around the fenders give it that old-school muscular charm. The headlamps, with their rounded design, bring back memories of an era when cars were designed to be unique, not uniform. From the front, the car has a bold and confident look, defined by a grille that captures both elegance and aggression. The bumper design complements the rest of the vehicle perfectly, and the orange tone plays beautifully under the sunlight. The wheels, though from the late 90s, still have that solid metallic finish, giving it a timeless appeal. The stance is low and confident, a reminder of how cars from this era were built with both performance and pride in mind. Moving along to the performance, this car may come from 1997, but the engine under the hood still holds its ground against many modern vehicles. The SBX CARS 1997 was known for its balanced powertrain and responsiveness. Even after years of driving, it continues to deliver smooth acceleration with a deep, satisfying engine note that only a naturally tuned motor can produce. It's the kind of car that feels alive when you press the pedal. Every vibration, every roar tells you it was built with passion. Handling is another area where this car shines. The steering feels connected, not artificial, and it gives you genuine road feedback. Whether you're taking it for a casual cruise or pushing it through a winding road, it holds its composure beautifully. The suspension, though firm, provides a great balance between comfort and control. Braking remains solid, with that mechanical precision that reminds you why old-school engineering was something special. Fuel economy might not match today's hybrids, but what you gain instead is driving pleasure, something that's hard to measure in numbers. This car doesn't just get you from one place to another, it makes every journey feel like an experience. And after 15 years, that feeling hasn't faded one bit. Stepping inside, the interior of the SBX CARS 1997 orange color tells its own story. The cabin design has a simplicity that's rare today. No massive screens or overwhelming buttons, just pure driving focus. The dashboard still looks clean and purposeful, with analog dials that make you feel in control. The seats, though aged, have molded perfectly over time, offering that classic leather comfort you only get from years of use. The craftsmanship stands out. Solid materials, detailed stitching, and a layout designed for drivers who truly enjoy the art of driving. Even after all these years, the air conditioning works well, the windows roll smoothly, and the switches have that tactile feedback that modern cars often lack. It's a blend of nostalgia and reliability that makes you smile every time you step inside. In a world full of new cars packed with screens and sensors, the SBX CARS 1997 reminds us that real character never ages. The orange color remains bold, the engine remains spirited, and the experience remains unforgettable. After 15 years of ownership, it's clear, this car was never just a purchase. It was an investment in emotion, style, and driving passion. That's what makes the SBX CARS 1997 truly timeless.